Sydnor Boys BBQ teamed up with Concession Nation in 2021 to build a fantastic 8x24 concession trailer. As you take a look on the inside, there's a partition with a sliding door and also a bathroom. As you open the sliding door, you will notice there's a sandwich and salad prep station and also refrigeration. There's also work table space and a steam table. You will notice that there's a proofer heater cabinet and also cabinet spacing. Moving right along, you will notice under the 5-foot hood that there's a deep fryer, a 24-inch griddle with an oven, and a 2-burner hot plate. The custom graphic design was installed with a full wrap on specialty quality vinyl for the exterior of the concession trailer. The mounted exterior TV is a great add-on to display menus or host sporting events or anything that can attract the crowd your way. It also includes an awning to keep customers safe from the elements. We can build you a similar one or custom build your concession trailer according to your budget and needs. Are you excited yet? Call us to get your own concession trailer and turn your dream into a reality.